masaya yung laro ni Porfirio tsaka ni Kamuning. Makasali nga.
Masarap barbecue! Oh, hi, Luis.
Hi, Porfirio.
Do you want to eat barbecue?
Oh, sure.
Oh, masarap bang luto ko, Luis?
Oo, Porfirio. May problema eh.
Ano? Masyado bang banghang?
Hindi. Nakakagutom yung laro ninyo. Para talaga gusto kong kumain ng tunay na pagkain. Ano kaya masarap kainin?
How about noodles?
No.
Hotdog?
No, I don't want to eat hot dogs.
What do you want to eat, Luis?
I don't know yet. Sana nga merong kantin na malapit dito para makapili ako ng gusto kong kainin eh.
Kantin?
Kantin na yun yung lugar kung saan pwede kang bumili ng iba't ibang klase ng pagkain. Parang sarap ng kain sa kantin, ano? Parang lahat ng pagkain doon sa kantin, napakasarap. Ano ba gusto mong kainin? Tulungan niyo ako. I'm hungry, but what shall I eat? Noodles or hot dog or sandwich or corn? I'm hungry, but what shall I eat? Barbecue or cookies? Ice cream or cake? Sago, gulaman, hamburger, spaghetti, taho, siomay, kanton, siopaw, pusit.
Luis, sa dami ba naman ng klase ng pagkain binanggit mo? Siguro naman, alam mo na kung anong gusto mong kainin.
Mabuti pa nga yung kaibigan ko si Nonoy. Alam niya kung ano yung kanyang gustong kainin.
Nonoy? Who is Nonoy?
Nonoy is the boy in our story for today. Okay, Kamuning, I will tell you the story. How about you, Porfirio? Do you want to hear our story for today?
Yes!
How about you, kids? Do you want to hear our story for today?
Yes!
Listen, I have a story. What is the story about? Listen, I have a story. What is the story? What is the story about? This is Nonoy. Mukhang may iniisip siya. Ano kaya iniisip niya?
Barbecue!
Tama! Barbecue! Tingnan nga natin kung bakit barbecue ang iniisip ni Nonoy. The title of our story for today is Nonoy Wants Barbecue by Ali Sulit Lasino. One day, Nonoy was hungry. Said Nonoy, I
pala si Nonoy.
Oo, at gusto nga niyang kumain ng barbecue. So, he went to Mang Kiko's canteen. Hello, Nonoy, said Mang Kiko. Hello, Mang Kiko, Nonoy answered. What do you want to eat? Asked Mang Kiko. I want to eat barbecue, said Nonoy. Sorry, I don't have barbecue, but I have some noodles. I don't want to eat noodles. I want to eat barbecue. Thank you, Mang Kiko.
Walang barbecue si Mang Kiko. Kawawa naman si Nonoy. Makakahanap kaya siya ng barbecue?
Well, let's see. So, Nonoy went to Aling Lina. Hello, Aling Lina, said Nonoy. Hello, Nonoy, Aling Lina answered. Do you have barbecue? Asked Nonoy. No, I don't. But I have corn, Aling Lina said. Oh, I don't want to eat corn. I want to eat barbecue. Sorry. Oh, that's okay. Thank you, Aling Lina.
Mais lang pala ang binibenta ni Aling Nina.
Oo nga eh. So, Nonoy went to Mang Noli. Hello, Mang Noli, said Nonoy. Hello, Nonoy, answered Mang Noli. Do you have barbecue? Asked Nonoy. No, I don't, but I have hot dog, Mang Noli said. Oh, I don't want to eat hot dog. I want to eat barbecue. Sorry. Oh, that's okay. Thank you, Mang Noli.
Ayaw din ni Nonoy ng hotdog. Siguro barbecue talaga ang gusto niya. O yan, mukhang pagod na sa kakahanap si Nonoy. May makita kaya siyang barbecue?
Tignan natin. Nonoy was tired and sad. So, Nonoy just went home. Hello, Nonoy, said Nonoy's mother. Hello, Mama, answered Nonoy. Why are you so sad, Nonoy? I'm hungry. I want to eat barbecue. Oh, don't be sad. I have something for you.
Uy, may sorpresa ang nanay ni Nonoy sa kanya. Ano kaya yun?
Ta-da! Wow! Barbecue! Thank you, Mama. Thank you, said Nonoy. You're welcome. So, Nonoy ate the barbecue and he was very happy. The end.
Wow, talagang tuwang-tuwa si Nonoy, ano?
Oo, kasi may barbecue na siya. Buti pa si Nonoy, busog na.
Gutom ka na talaga, ano, Luis? Kaya lang, pwede mo pa bang ikwento uli? Isang beses na lang.
Do you want to hear the story again?
Yes!
You? How about you? Do you want to hear the story again?
Yes!
Okay, then, let's read it again. Our story for today is entitled Nonoy Wants Barbecue by Ali Sulit Placino. One day, Nonoy was hungry.
Said Nonoy, I want to eat barbecue.
So, he went to Mang Kiko's canteen. Hello, Nonoy, said Mang Kiko.
Hello, Mang Kiko.
Nonoy answered. What do you want to eat? Asked Mang Kiko.
I want to eat barbecue.
Said Nonoy.
Do you have barbecue?
No, I don't, but I have noodles.
Mang Kiko said, I don't want to eat noodles. I want to eat barbecue.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you, Mang Kiko.
So, Nonoy went to Aling Lina.
Hello, Aling Lina,
Said Nonoy. Hello, Nonoy, Aling Lina answered.
do you have barbecue?
Asked Nonoy. No, I don't, but I have corn, Aling Lina said.
Oh, I don't want to eat corn. I want to eat
Barbecue. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you, Aling Lina.
So, Nonoy went to Mang Noli.
Hello, Mang Noli,
Said Nonoy. Hello, Nonoy, answered Mang Noli.
Do you have barbecue?
Asked Nonoy. No, I don't, but I have hot dog, Mang Noli said. Oh, I don't want to eat hot dog. I want to eat barbecue. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you, Mang Noli.
Nonoy was tired and sad. So, Nonoy went home.
Hello, Nonoy.
Said Nonoy's mother.
Hello, Mama.
Answered Nonoy.
Why are you sad, Nonoy?
I'm hungry.
I want to eat barbecue. Oh, don't be sad. I have something for you. Wow! Barbecue! Oh, thank you, Mama.
Said Nonoy.
You're welcome.
So, Nonoy ate the barbecue. And he was very happy. The end.
I am not Porfirio. I am Mang Kiko.
Nakikipaglaro si Porfirio sa atin. Kunyari, kayo, si Nonoy. Sagutin nyo lamang yung mga katanungan niya, ha? Hello, Mang Kiko.
Hello. Hello.
Hello!
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat barbecue!
I don't have barbecue, but I have noodles. Do you want to eat noodles?
I don't want to eat noodles! I want to eat barbecue!
It's Aling Lina.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat barbecue.
I don't have barbecue. But I have corn. Do you want to eat corn?
I don't want to eat corn. I want to eat barbecue.
It's Magnoli.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat barbecue.
I don't have barbecue, but I have hot dog. Do you want to eat hot dog?
I don't want to eat hot dog. I want to eat barbecue.
Look, it's Nonoy's mother.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat barbecue.
Oh, yes, I have barbecue.
Yay! Ang galing ka po, Mami Porfirio. Pinahanga mo ko. Pati yung tsura,
thank you.
ginaya mo.
Thank you, Luis. At saka, uy, salamat din, Luis. At pinagbigyan mo kami kahit gutom na gutom ka na.
Si Porfirio naman, no? Pinaalala pa eh.
Oh, siguro naman, Luis, alam mo na kung anong gusto mong kainin.
Oh,
Oh, so, what do you want to eat?
I want to eat barbecue. Kaya lang hindi ko alam kung saan ako bibili.
Barbecue? Akong bahala sa'yo, Luis.
Ha?
Akong bahala sa'yo.
I did not order barbecue. Paano nangyari? Hindi ko naman...
Tumawag ako dyan sa barbecuean sa labas para dalhan tayo ng barbecue.
Talaga? Salamat! Thank you, Porfirio.
You're welcome, Luis. Basta ikaw. O sige, magpapaalam na kami. Paano naman makakain si Luis? Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my friend. Have a nice day. Goodbye, goodbye.